This evening in Primetime News, Usain Bolt's lawyer slams critics.
Peace at last. Clarendon Municipal Corporation meeting goes ahead for the first time since by-election.
And Marissa Dalrymple Philibert pleads guilty to breaches of the Integrity Commission Act. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. And with a preview of what's to come in the financial week, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kalisha, I see you guys in red. It's Valentine's Day, and data suggests saying I love you is getting more expensive. I'll give you the details later on in the financial week.
We're in red and he's in a shade of red burgundy. Here with us, who is not in red, Spencer Darlington, with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, the new CEO of Cricket West Indies is supporting Darren Sammy as the all-format coach for the West Indies. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, do you think Valentine's Day has lost its significance? Give reasons for your answer.
And you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Looking forward to those responses. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.